Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we are talking about anime matrix, and first thing what we'll have a look is content library. First thing what trending GIFs, dog, skiing, give, and the scream, the first one. Second. Third. The last from the trending section. Next section is gaming section, and over here the first calls bird. That's how it looks. After controller, then fight, then we got FPS, keyboard, MOBA, and the last UFO. After gaming section, the next follow up with the festival GIFs, and the first one is a cockpit. Second, firework. Happy New Year. Then lantern. Valentine's Day. Year of the Ox. Halloween. And the last, Happy Holidays. Following section will be music. First one is DJ. Later music player. And that's all from music section. And the last section is ROG gallery. First is ROG breathing. Second, ROG shining. Starry Sky 1. Starry Sky 2. Meteor Show. ROG boot up. ROG shutdown. Later ROG interference. ROG brushing. Raining. ROG and Alien Walker. ROG and Alien Walker 2. Then, for those who dare, have those who there too. Fragment, infinite triangle, kaleidoscope 1, kaleidoscope 2, and the last 3, sunset, ROG city, and ROG glitch. When we just check out all continent library, the next animation settings, basically in the timeline you're able to set up like a few animations, and you're able to make a delay, a few seconds after each animation pass. Then you can make a contrast a bit higher or lower, and brightness higher or lower, and that you're able to see right now. Then you're able to do a text effect. I just made a text effect, and here's writing subscribe to channel, thank you for watching, and you're able to put like input text, hit a like, leave a comment and share. You're able to see on how it looks. Basically you're able to customize in a way you can think of, you know. You're even able to put your picture on it, or your GIF. For example, like I put my channel logo, you could see this right now on the screen. Basically we cover everything from library and customizations. The next thing follow up is a system mode. You're able to make it would show a battery level, the mail notifications, clock and alarm as well, date, calendar notifications, and you're able to set up as well the timer. The next thing is audio mode. Audio mode basically reacts to your music, and it has like 6 spectrums, and right now I will show you all 6 spectrums, how it looks on music. Next thing, preference settings. And here just basically just set up if you want that anime matrix will be on or off, how it acts on sleep mode or when it's lit, close it, and yeah, that's basically it. The last thing is a virtual pet. He don't do nothing much important, but right now on the back of the link you're able to see a small pet in there just standing around. If you twice click on the face, it's like transforms to some cyber rabbit. And if you click on hands, it paints ROG logo. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, it doesn't do nothing much. At some point, you know, he like gets sleepy, and you're able to see on the back of the lid the animation that he sleeps, you know. And probably if we would be wait for a longer, you know, we could see in some more action what he does. But yeah, basically mostly that's it. And the last thing what I was wanted to show is when you put your custom text, you're able to put as well some GIF on top of it. And as you see right now, subscribe to my channel. As it goes, on top of it is my channel logo, and you can do with any gift you like. basically that wraps up all the video, and thank you all for watching. And if did I miss anything, just let me know down below the comment. And if you're thinking of buying this piece of machine, in descriptions I left the link. And for the next video I will do a manual settings for this laptop and just fully optimize all windows for the best performance, and we see how then it performs. If you did like it, then subscribe for a future content, leave a comment, hit a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.